here the question is, in a school there are 148 students in class 12 and class 13 studying science, humanities and arts. So we have science, we have humanities and we have arts. We have three subjects, total of 148 students, and we know of these 89 wear glasses. So we have new category, glasses and no glasses. So it's a good idea to draw a table for a sum like that. If you have a table like this, so the main thing is glasses and no glasses. So we have science category, then we have humanities category, then we have the arts category. Let's make a table and fill up the table. So this can be the total, and this can also be the total. Okay, so the first thing is that there are 89 altogether who wear glasses. So if this is glasses, if we add the science, humanities and arts together, it should be 89, and there are altogether 148 students. So if you write a total of 148 students, that means if you have 148 minus 89, so no glasses, a total of 59 students. So there are 30 science students. So we have altogether a total science students 30. Out of these 30, 18 were glasses. So 18 were glasses. So that means 12 does not wear any glasses. Then we have for humanities 68. Oh, they say the corresponding figures for humanities students are 68 and 44. That means there are 68 altogether students in humanities, and out of this 68, 44 were glasses. 44 were glasses, because corresponding meaning, like the previous sentence, there are 30 science students altogether, of whom 18 were glasses. That means there are 68 students of humanities altogether, of which 44 were glasses. That means 24, they do not wear glasses. Now we can calculate the arts very easily. First of all, if you know altogether there are 89 students who wear glasses, arts who wear glasses. Again, in the next one, if you have 59, so from the 59, if you subtract these two figures, now if you add these two up, this would be 50. So there would be 50 altogether art students. So this is the table, and using this table we can easily calculate the probability. So let's find the probability. So we want to find the probability that a person studies arts. So probability of arts. So what you want, the event is the person has to be an art student. So total of arts, glasses or no glasses, there are 50 art students. So you write 50 here. That's the event that you want, divided by total sample space, everything that can happen. So there are altogether 148 students in total. So 50 divided by 148, that's the probability they're looking for. Okay, in question number 1, in question number 7a, you have 4 marks. So 2 of it would be here in drawing the table, because without this information you cannot do the sum, and the other 2 marks is for here. Let's move on to the next one. So the next question is, does not wear glasses given that the student is studying arts. So now first of all, whatever information is given, that is the total. So the total of art students is there are 50 students who take arts. Okay, so there are 50 students. Now out of these 50 students, they're saying do not wear glasses. So if there are art students 50 and no glasses, there are 23 students who do not wear glasses. So this should be 23 by 50. Very straightforward and very simple. question number C. Now here they're giving some more information. Now in question number C, they're giving the probability that someone is science student and right-handed is, you multiply the probability of science student with 80%, because 80% of the science students are right-handed. So this is the first information that we have. 80% of science students are right-handed. Then we have humanities, 75% of humanities are right-handed, and we have 70% of art students are right-handed. So this is given. Now the question is, find the probability that the student is right-handed. Now look what can happen if a person is right-handed. The person can be science student and right-handed. Let me write it as SR. This means science student and right-handed. Or the person can be humanities student and right-handed. So let me write HR. Or the person can be art student and right-handed. Let me write AR. So we know the probability of a person being a science student. Let's check the probability here. So probability of being a science student and science student is, there are altogether 30 science students. That's the event, and there are 148 students. So probability of being a science student is 30 out of 148. Remember, probability means what you want divided by total. Sample space means total. So science student is 30 and you have a total of 148 students. So probability of being a science student is 30 out of 148. And right-handed means 80% are right-handed. So you multiply this with 80% means 0.8. Or means or rule, addition. Then we have humanities student and right-handed. Let's check the table again. There are altogether 68 students who are humanities student. Remember, that is the event, and the total is 148. So it means 68 by 148. So this is going to be 68 by 148 and right-handed. So the probability of humanities students and right-handed means multiplied by 75%, 0.75. Or probability of art student and right-handed. So probability of being an art student total is 50 students are do studies art, divided by 148. So 50 by 148. So this would be 50 by 148 times 70% of them study they're right-handed, so 0.7. So let's calculate this. 0.7432. Given that this student is right-handed, find the probability that the student is studying science subject. So this means what you can do is downstairs you can put the probability of right-handed. Now in the previous sum, if you take the help of the previous sum, we know the probability of right-handed means science right-handed or humanity right-handed or arts right-handed, and or if you add it up together it becomes 0.7432. Put that downstairs, 0.7432. Now upstairs what it has to be A intersection B, meaning science and right-handed, and we had already calculated that science and right-handed means probability of science is 30 divided by 148 multiplied by probability of being right-handed and science, that is 80%, that means into 0.8. So if we calculate this, 0.2182, let me check again, we get 0.2182.